Hey everyone, Sawmill Charlie. Well, we're here at the apiary. I am going to go ahead and vaporize my nukes. Now what I do is I put the coroplast sheeting underneath the screen bottom board, and I also put in the 3 wedges in. I do that for all the hives in advance so I can make better time vaporizing each hive and not slowing down and having to do all that. Also, I use several of these, probably 4 of them at a time, these styrofoam entrance blockers. And what I do is I sort of leapfrog them down through the row of hives here, where the first hive will be completely sealed up for between 5 to 10 minutes. And by the time I get through 4 hives or so, then this hive here, I will take off this entrance blocker and then put it on the next hive in line to go ahead and vaporize. So I'm going to go ahead and put this introducer on. Some of my hives, as I showed in the previous video, have the little screws, and that's why these notches here on these blockers are notched so those screws fit right there, but it also blocks the 5 little 3/8 by 3/8 slots in my entrance reducers. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. It fits in there nice and snugly. That's what you want. You want to cut these things maybe 1/8 of an inch oversized, so they kind of have to be pushed down in there, and they won't blow off, and the bees won't push them out of the way trying to get out of the hive. So let me take and put you to the back of the hive so you can see me vaporize the hive. All right, everyone, we're ready to go. The temperature on the vaporizer's up to temperature. I'm ready to go ahead and put my mask on. I don't think you're going to be able to hear me. And then I will go ahead and fill up the measuring device for the oxalic acid. And then I'll show you how I go in and hit the button and vaporize these hives. All right, everyone, I'm going to take this applicator and fill it up. And here it is. All right, everyone, that's how it's done. I wait until it goes down and bottoms out on the temperature gauge, and when it gets back up to 220 degrees Celsius, that's when I pull the unit back out. I'm ready for the next hive. I wanted to show you another thing that I've come up with. It's not really perfect, but when you put your Pro Vap into the hole, this tip is copper and it's soft. I've come up with this board. It's got a notch in the top, and I have it about the right length to where this unit is held up in the bottom here while it's inside the hive, so I don't actually have to stand and watch it and bend over for a minute or more. So it's just a little something that I've come up with. Helps my lower back, and that way I can go ahead and get other things done while this thing is vaporized in the hive, prepping the other hives, like blocking the other entrances up. So I'm going to bring the camera here. I'm going to go ahead and continue to work, and then you guys can watch. Well, everyone, it takes about a minute, minute and a half. It goes from 230 degrees Celsius down to about 119 degrees, I think it is, before it starts climbing back up. I'm getting about a 95% leakage or containment. It is leaking a little bit, but that's normal. All right, now what I'm going to do now is go back to the other first two hives, remove the front styrofoam entrance blockers, and leapfrog them on down the line, so those hives will be ready when I get there with the oxalic acid vaporizer. Well, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and continue on and finish my hives. So until next time, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share my videos with your friends, and have fun with your bees.